some of the recommendations. In order to reduce product costs and increase productivity at the farm level, the committee recommends that the government facilitates bulk procurement of fertilizer, introduction of machines for plucking and pruning, replacement of old tea bushes with high-yielding clones, improved extension services, and reduction of post-harvest losses. Those were the key recommendations. My ministry will, in the next 3 months, develop and submit to the Cabinet for approval a proposal that will provide for a properly structured and targeted fertilizer subsidy program for the tea subsector.
Maundu maria turarora ni uria murimi angirehwo mbeca nyingi, arehwo tene na arehwo mbeca ciake kutai na uici uria wakoragwo kuo mbere. Niguo tuhote gukorwo tukiriha murimi mbeca nyingi ri, niguo turarora thoko cia macani ri ni iriku ni atia tungiongerera thoko iria cirendio, niguo kuria mwena wa Mombatha ri tuone bei ya macani ikiambatira. Tuoka guku migunda-ini itu ri ni tureyuria mbeca cia murimi ithiaga ku na ithiagira nginya inputs. Ni tuonete riu ta mwaka uyu bataraitha iraumire 2,000 iroka 6,000 yahota gukinya nginya 7,000 mwaka muthiru. Thirikari thiini wa kamiti ino itu ni yaheire o murimi ciringi 600 niguo murimi arehire 2,400 handu ha 3,100 he muhuko wa bataraitha. Riu mwaka uyu ri neyo yahuthirire bilioni 1 ya thirikari. Koguo riguo niguo turarora mwaka uyu tukumekira atia.